Hi, hi students. I'm Dr. Badrinath. Once upon a time in India, deaf, deaf people are more. Nobody listening to nobody. Nobody was listening to nobody. So the government has thought, if we continue like that, if the countries continue like that, there will be definitely there will be a problem, big problem in India. Okay, number of problems will be arises due to this. That's why they want to prevent it. The government want to prevent it. That's why they have implemented the national program for prevention and control, both prevention as well as the control of deafness. See here, deafness. This is the program implemented by the Indian government. Otherwise, what happened today, we are not at all listening because it is a genetical disorder also. If father has a deaf, it may comes to son genetically displayed. See this image here, you can see she is either, I have a doubt, either she is a listening or she is a hearing. See, hearing is different, listening is different. Both are two different senses. This is one sense, that is another sense. Hearing means just they will hear and they will throw it. Listen carefully. Listen means they will hear plus. They will hear plus it goes to brain, it comes to hand for action. So hearing plus implementation properly applying through the hand is called as a listening. So most of the students, they will hear the class. They will not listen. Only few students, intelligent students, they will listen the class. Okay, right. Here the technique is 3 plus 3 plus 3. That I will tell you, keep in your mind. 3 plus 3 plus 3 here. That you have to keep in your mind, right? Yeah, why this deafness will come means that is a problem of the B complex, deficiency of the B complex. B complex is very essential for the neurons, very essential. B complex is equal to neurons, neurons is equal to B complex. B complex is equal to central nervous system, central nervous system is equal to B complex. Not only central nervous system, peripheral nervous system also. You take neuron of any part in our body, definitely it requires the B complex. That's why I suggested to take this neurobion fort, very good fort. See how they have indicated all these are the neurons and neuron junctions. See how nicely they have designed their logo. Neurobion fort, one tablet. Daily you can take irrespective of either you are taking a good food or bad food or whatever it may be. You take daily one, because otherwise neuronal problems will become, because this is a neuron structure. In this neuron structure here you can see the myelin sheet. This myelin sheet is completely made up of a B complex. Without a myelin sheet, nerve cannot survive. There is no proper signals. All the nerve junctions wherever there in the body, no proper communication, junctions will be break down like anything. If cyclone comes, what happened to our electric poles? Where the poles wherever is there, it will be fell down and all the electric wires will be cut down. Same fashion, if the B complex deficiency is there in the body, definitely you will get a neuronal problem in future. Central nervous system daily asking, take tablet, take tablet, take B complex tablet, but we are not listening. We are not listening the words. We are not listening, right? Yeah, we are studying the social and preventive pharmacy subject, also called as a social and preventive medicine. It is a common for even for MBBS, pharmacy, nursing, lab technicians, etc., and all medical courses, paramedical courses. And this is the syllabus. Here you can see National Program for Prevention and Control of the Deafness. What the nation has dedicatedly did for the deafness. What the nation did for the people. That is today's topic. Okay, objectives, functioning, and outcome. Only three. The remaining part and all, we are not bothering about that. See, objectives 3 plus 3 plus 3. That's why here I have shown objectives 3, functioning 3, outcome 3. This function is also called as a strategies. Keep in your mind. So 3 objectives, 3 functioning. It is nothing but 3 strategies and 3 outcomes that we are going to be complete in this way. Objectives 3 are there. See how nicely they have designed the objective. Objective 1, objective 2, objective 3 for prevention and control. Program name itself indicates it's a prevention, control. That is a treatment. Prevention is better than the treatment, or better than the cure. First one is prevention. Okay. Prevention is nothing but avoiding. See here, to prevent and control the major causes of hearing. What are the major causes for the hearing impairment? What are the major causes? That causes they will be reduced. That is the objective. Avoidable hearing loss. Hearing loss is two type, which is the patient can aware and he can avoid the hearing loss. And whereas in some cases it comes, even though the patient is aware, it comes due to some other problems. Okay. So avoidable hearing loss and major causes of hearing impairment. These two are the prevention they have taken. Treatment, diagnosis, immediate treatment of the ear problems. This is the treatment. Okay. And medically rehabilitate the person. Rehabilitation. See here, they will do surgery, they will rehabilitation, they will give a hearing aids, like that treatment. They will give a treatment. Okay. Rehabilitate the persons of all age groups suffering with the deafness. So first one is the prevention, second one is the treatment, third one is strengthening the infrastructure. That is very, very important, no? So three, how they nicely designed to strengthen the intersector linkage for community. Linkage, central government has to link with the state government, state government has to link with the district government, district governments, district persons, they have to link with the mandal person, mandal they have to link with the chc and phc, primary health center, community health center, like that is a one. Intersector linkages. Next is manpower, triple M, manpower, machine power, maintain, man training. These three they have to increase. Strengthening. So prevention, 2 points. Treatment, 2 points. Strengthening the infrastructure, 2 points. Like that, you can be nicely, you can organize and you can write, right? Okay. And strategies, objectives is over. Strategy, first one is capacity building. See, objective means, what is the objective actually? I want to do that. I want to do this. I want to attempt the NIPER. I want to rack the GPAT. All these are the objective. Strategy means proper plan. How they have implemented structured plan. Okay, it is nothing but a functioning. How you have functioning. Your objective may be NIPER or GPAT, whatever it may be, but how effectively you implemented that. That is a strategy. Here they have three strategies for capacity building, manpower training and development. First one is infrastructure. They have capacity, excellent infrastructure, all the hospital, whatever it may be. Next, manpower training they have given. Then service. See here, capacity building, number one, that is a construction of a hospital, for example, say. Number two, the person who is there in that, they are giving a training to him. That is a second point. Number three is a service. So without the capacity building, without the man training, you can't give a service. That's why they have designed the strategy like that. So first one, we will say capacity building. What is this capacity building? Capacity building at PHC level, CHC level, primary health center, community health center, what they have increased the capacity. First one is equipments. Next one is a budget. Capacity builder. Headlights. This is a headlight. See how he is a headlight. Headlight will be there. Without a headlight, how you can provide a service, how you can take a training. That's why first point is the capacity building. Headlights, ear specules. Then only he can able to know with this light, he can able to know. So it is a very flexible. However, you see it directly, it goes the straight point directly into the ear of a patient. You can observe inside what happened. Up to the eardrum, you can see. Up to the eardrum. Headlights, ear speculas, ear syringes, otoscopes. These are the headlights. I give an arrow mark. And Jobson horn probes. All these are the instruments they have provided. Central government is providing to the state government. State is providing to district. District is provided at PHC and CH level. Central government is providing all this. Noise maker. These are the turning forks. See here, these are the turning forks. Like a heads. 20 heads to 20,000 heads only the human capacity. Up to that only you can. Beyond it is at 20,000 heads means you cannot listen. Below the 20 heads means you cannot listen. Only bats can listen. Bats can listen up to 2 lakhs heads only. That's why whenever tsunami comes, the frequency is more than 20,000. That's why you cannot listen. Animals will listen more than 20,000. Okay, we are our capacity is 20,000. 20,000 means 20,000 vibrations per second. Hertz means noise maker and pure tone adimeter. Okay, at the CHC they are providing at CHC. All these facilities they are providing at a PHC. And budget the 20,000 per kit they are giving. All these they will put inside a kit and 20,000 kit at PHC, 50,000 kit at CHC. Ardimeter. This is about the CHC level capacity building at a basic level, CHC and PHC. Now capacity building at intermediate level, district hospitals. Here also same equipments, microscope, micro drills inside drilling, hand pieces, burr heads, and the micro ear surgery equipments. Okay, pure tone addimeter, impedance addimeter. This is an impedance addimeter. Okay, this is OAE mission. What is this OAE mission? Auto acoustic acoustic emission. See how, see what is the knowledge, you see how many equipments are came, how many instruments are came for the ear. Small, it consists of a smallest bore, Malleus incus stapes. Okay, and but however, if you see the list of the equipments, number of equipment, auto acoustic emission, sound treating rooms also, if you test the outside, no, outside sounds will be disturbed. That's why sound treating room is separate, will be there, sound treating room. AC, that is also with AC. Okay, Rangasthalam film hero Charan in that movie, that is this only deafness. Budget 20 lakhs for hospital for upgradation. All these are not, and capacity building at state medical college level. See, three levels are there. First one is primary health center and capacity building at district level, capacity building at a state medical college. Surgical microscope for ENT use. Microscope, surgical microscope, not ordinary compound microscope, not simple microscope, surgical surgery, they have to do surgery, no, microscope. Micro drill instruments, digital meter, OAE, same OAE missions. And here you can see medical micro surgical drills. Here I have mentioned, no, micro drill instrument. These are the medical micro drill, just like in the wall how you are going to drill. This is for medical purpose, they are using drilling mission for surgery and all. See how, that's why you take B complex every day. And OA missions, soundproof rooms. This is company IAC Acoustic. It is supplying the soundproof rooms. That is also 8 feet, 8 by 8. This is a 8 feet and 8 feet. The human have a 6 feet maximum. So 2 feet will be there for doctor who are all coming, and also 8 feet into 8 feet. So capacity building at three different levels. Now second strategy, manpower training and development. From central, see how giving the training, who will give the training to whom? Central ENT staff, ear, nose, throat, to the ENT staff of the state. Now state ENT staff, they will give to the training to the district ENT staff. Hierarchy, how the hierarchy is coming. District ENT staff, they will give a training to PHC and CHC, and same district ENT staff, they will give a training to the grassroots level workers, grassroots level. Okay, so training material like this training manual, booklets will be provided to all the staff, how you have to check to the patient. Okay, like that. 10 lakhs for each district hospital they are providing. Central government is providing 10 lakhs to each district hospital, like that. It is giving a funds like anything. Okay, and that is about a second one, training. Third one is a service provision. Service mind also important. Three levels of services, 6 service components are there. What are the services they are providing here? At what levels, what stages they are providing service? Primary level, they are giving a service from the PHC, CHC, school level, elementary school or high school, college, whatever it may be. Panchayat level, where the number of students will gather or number of people will gather, there they will go. Okay, and they will check. Like that, primary level service. Secondary level service at district hospital they are providing. Tertiary level services they are providing in the staff of the state medical college. State medical college, that is, it's a high, that is a tertiary level. And what are the 6 service components? See here, hearing aid. See here, last point, providing the hearing aid admissions like this. This is a one service they are giving a, okay. And camps, see here, ear screening camps. They will conduct the camps to the villages. They will go to, doctors will go to the villages and they will conduct because the village people, they will not come. Even though you providing a service in the state level or district level, they will not come because we do not have money. Why we have to come? We are hijning labor, like that they will argue. So the doctor has to go to the villages and they have to conduct the camp, and that, like that they have made. Okay, early detection, that is better. Early detection is early cure. Okay, ear screening camps here, treatment, medical treatment and surgery. They are giving a surgery also, free surgery, because government is giving a money, medical treatment, and that is medicines. They are giving a medicines means medical treatment. Surgery means surgery they will do, and they later they will give some medicines for antibiotics, and appropriate reference. You go to their a proper reference will be there. Rehabilitation for hearing improvement, rehabilitation centers like that they are conducting, right? So, and providing the hearing aids. Now you come to the outcomes. This is also three plus three plus three. That's why I have told what outcome one, outcome two, outcome three. First, successful in 228 districts of 27 states. The successful, and 335 screening camps were successful. 335 camps. Just imagine screening camps they have conducted. Greater than 6,380 hearing aids were distributed. This is the outcome proper. Everything is feet and shot. That's it. Don't write matter kilometers together. Later you can write in the exam. First you learn in the important part, key points you hold in your hand. Then automatically your mind will say to write the entire thing. Okay, thank you for listening, not hearing. Okay, and you can see this is my next video. Okay, universal immunization program, that we will see in the next video.